we can work with Floor&Decor not just to make budgets work, but we can also choose Floor&Decor because they have really nice quality products to begin with. I'm Jared with Jared Hughes Design, and this is my Floor&Decor story. My company is based in Atlanta, Georgia, and we specialize in high-end residential and historic preservation design work. My signature style includes a very big ode to the English countryside. We use a lot of antiques, heavily layered patterns and prints. We love wallpaper. So I think that one of the biggest ways we put our stamp on our design work is with comfort and beauty. Today, we're actually in my own home in Buckhead. We have a beautiful Georgian townhouse that was built actually in 1980. When we purchased the house, we were kind of stuck with some builder grade, bad, early 2000s, late 90s remodel aspects, and we immediately knew that we needed to gut all of the bathrooms. When we first started thinking about material, I knew that I wanted to work with Floor&Decor because they have really wonderful quality pieces for a really great value. So I think the overall goal that we were looking for with the material was to create something that was very timeless. So right when you walk in, we knew that we wanted to unify all of the spaces on the first floor. And so we chose a very classic limestone paver that flows from the foyer in through our snug and then also into the powder bath and laundry room. When it came to the bathrooms, I wanted to kind of keep it simple, but keep it very pretty with really nice quality subway tiles and marble tiles so that it had a really nice value when we do go to resell the house, something that is appealing to a lot of people and very timeless. So we did the French lay in our foyer, snug, and powder bath without any grout so that you can just see a very clean, small shadow between the tiles. So you've got a very subtle pattern going on. We've done so much work with Floor&Decor that we feel very confident placing their product because it is such extraordinary value and such wonderful wide variety of beautiful options for us to place in their homes.